What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute since I seen y'all. So, hello. Yeah, hello. All right. As y'all can see, I got my. But what's that? Uh, I know I got a charge on my phone, and y'all probably can't hear me as well, but I'm gonna do the best I can and what have you. But these few days that have been in bed, I'm getting over a sinus infection, and I feel much better, and I'm looking forward to feel even more than I do now. But in the meantime, I'll be trying to get myself back, where I can do these videos. But right now, my nose and stuff be stopped up, and I'm coughing a lot. So me trying to do a video coughing is not going to do well. So I just wanted to come out here and talk with y'all a little bit. To let y'all know, so you won't think, I quit or anything, but that's what's going on there. So I'm gonna end this video off right here. My battery is low. It's not low, but it's low. And I'm gonna rest up some more. Probably eat some more fish that I had. This last piece of fish last fish that I had cooked. Eat that and probably try to look at a little television and then But yeah, I'm gonna just want to y'all let you know that, and hope to see y'all soon. Live, laugh, love. Take it easy. Stay breezy.